Hey guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue dish soap slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is... Also, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. You might be thinking, Allie, you've done this video probably like 20 times, which I have. I always try to mix it up and show new type of recipes with this one. But today's video is brand new. It's updated. It works great. I've tried this multiple times now, and it's one of my favorites by far. And now, since it's a new year, 2026, I thought I'd bring in a new recipe for the first no glue and my first YouTube video of the year. Alright, so the ingredients you guys will need to make this no glue slime recipe today is dish soap, any type of shampoo or body wash. This is a must for this no glue slime recipe. A bowler plate to make your slime in, and last but not least is a mixing tool. You guys will first need to take out any type of shampoo, body wash. You can even use hand soap, put it into your bowler plate, just like this. So this is going to act as more of the thicker product, because if you guys have tried to make dish soap slime before, you know it's super watery. You can even tell through the container it's really watery. So you want to put a thicker product in there, and that's how it's basically updated, and it makes it a way better slime. I'm first going to get mixing this up a little bit. Oops, that's a little crazy. It's splashing everywhere. Alright, now that it's mixed up, I'm now going to add in my dish soap. You don't want to go too crazy with the dish soap, so just add maybe like a quarter of what you had in for the actual like body wash / shampoo, and then you're gonna get mixing this up again. Now you can see it's still super thick, but it's almost kind of like coming together like you're making slime. Like, I don't know if you can tell. You want to mix it for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. You just want to get it super bubbly and thick. That looks great. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 hours. I noticed with this recipe that putting it in for 2 hours makes it actually perfect. Like, I didn't go over that time, so I want to do it exactly at 2 hours, but you can leave it a little bit more. It's just probably going to get a little bit more solid, which is fine. So I'll see you guys in about a second when it's all done, but remember, 2 hours in the refrigerator. You can mix it up every 30 minutes to make sure it's working. So I'll see you guys in about a second when the recipe is all done. Alright guys, 2 hours later, here is the soap. I'm mixing it up. I even added some food coloring into here, so it is a lot darker and kind of more like the bottle there. And here is the slime. Ooh, it is pretty sticky still, which is fine, so maybe I should have left it in for a little bit longer, but 2 hours still made it like a perfect consistency. Wow, I'm not over this texture on this. This turned out great. So squishy. This is how you make a no glue dish soap slime. It's a brand new updated recipe, the first video of the year for 2026 for my channel, and it's one of my brand new favorite ones, and it works so great for me, and I believe it will work great for you guys as well. But what are you doing here? Go get trying out this recipe right now, and if you liked it, please put it in the comments down below if you liked it. If you need any help, I'll try to get back to you and give you some helpful ways on how to make this no glue slime recipe way better for you guys. Also, now that it's a new year, I really want to start posting some newer no glue slime recipes on here, or even like different types of videos. So if you guys have any suggestions, please leave it in the comments down below. I'm always trying to expand my channel, so if you have any suggestions, please let me know what you want to see on here. But thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I really hope this recipe worked great for you. Remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some new ideas. Bye guys, love you so much in peace, and remember, thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!